And here you see the Albizia July Brison. It's a tree, beautiful pink flowers. Right now it's the end of May here in California. Look at it. It's in full bloom. Love the flowers. It attracts a lot of pollinators, bees, bumblebees. Look at that. Let me see if I can zoom in. Love those flowers. My dad also loves that tree. He lives in Mexico, but he always asks, wow, how that Mimosa Tree is doing. Send them some pictures of it. Look at that. A lot of people don't like it because it's kind of messy once the flowers fall. That's the Mimosa Tree. Albizia July Brison. Hope I pronounce it right. There you see the bees right there. Those are the beautiful blossoms. Hope that you enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe and click on the bell so you get a notification when I upload videos of trees like this and other trees in my garden. Thank you for watching.